I'm gonna feel for that hot iron, and I'm just gonna like turn it and flip it out. See that? So here is the back of the hair that you wanna do. It's basically you take it like a ladder, and then you take one piece, two, and then next piece, and the sides, next one, and the sides. So I need to curl the back of my hair because it looks terrible without curling it. So I want you to see it from the side. Do you see how flat that is? Now I showed you the T's, but now I need to get this flipped up. So how do you do it without a blow dryer? Because it's harder. I'm gonna feel for that hot iron, and I'm just gonna like turn it and flip it out. See that? Now I'm gonna take, like, so this is right here. I'm gonna take another one right here, another one right here. It's almost like you're using your imagination, thinking, what do I have to do next? Like, where's that other little ladder step? Okay, so right here, it's gonna feel it. Go up, up. Ah, see that? And if it curls too much, just brush it out right away so it doesn't set too curly. Okay, now I'm gonna do this side, and then I'll do the bottom. So really, you only have to do 1, 2, 3, and then the bottom 2, 3. And you're just gonna slide it and flip it up. See that? Now I'm gonna go under. Let me see, this one is done already. I need this next one. Flip it up. Now I'm gonna do the bottom. And do I need any more pieces? Let me look. Much, much better. Look at the back now. Look at it from the side and look at it from the back. Yes, you gotta look at the back of your head. Get another mirror so you can see it. All right, this is Coach Kimmy. Another tip and trick. Have a great day. Today is a great day to have a great day. I hope you're having a good day. And you know what? You just gotta look at all the good things. Instead of us focusing on what didn't go well, focus on everything that did go well. And it makes a big shift and a change in your mindset. Trust me, if you just start thinking of everything you're thankful for, it's amazing how much the mindset shifts and it changes. And that's how you develop a miracle mindset. That's how you develop a positive, optimistic personality, because you're just thankful for everything you do have. Right? Thankful for the electricity that we have, thankful for running water that we have, thankful for our toes and our nose and our eyes and our ears and everything that we have. Thankful for food that we get to eat. You have to start getting out of your own perception and start looking at what people don't have, in a sense, so that you could think about all that you do have. If we compare, it's all relative to what you're comparing it to. The law of relativity, a universal law. Right? If you compare it to somebody that doesn't have something and something that you have, you'll feel blessed and lucky, right? But if you just only focus on all the good things that you do have, you'll never worry about comparing. You don't got to worry about what other people have or don't have. You just have to worry about you being positive and only being thankful for everything you do have, and more good things will come to you. Because positive mindset, a positive word, and a positive emotion will absolutely give you a positive result. A negative word, a negative emotion, which your words are thoughts, will give you a negative result every time. So talk nice to yourself, be kind, and make sure you're saying good things to yourself, and start listening to what you're saying to yourself. A lot of times we have bad self-talk. It's awful. We have to stop that. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and think about all the things you could be thankful for. This is Coach Kimmy, and I hope you're blessed.